Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be talking about shoelacing techniques for pain on the top of your feet. Hi everyone, it's me, Dr. Nooreen, your resident foot and ankle specialist, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so some people can have pain on the top of their feet. This is most common in people with a cavus foot structure or someone with a higher arch foot type. This is more common because when you have a higher arch foot, your arch is higher, so the mid-tarsal bones are higher up and they can become more prominent, especially in shoe gear, and then those bones at the top middle of your foot can start to then rub within your shoe gear and cause pain. Now, this isn't the only thing that can cause pain on the top of your foot, but it is the most common thing that can cause pain on the top of your foot. So something you can do to help address this pain on the top of your foot is change the way you tie your shoelaces, because that can help reduce the pressure on top of those bones. That in turn will help reduce your pain. So basically what you do is when you wear your shoes, note where that bump is and where that pain is and undo the shoelaces in that area. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this shoelacing technique is for when you have pain over the bump of a foot. So let's say your bump is right over here, right? So we're gonna undo our shoelaces. Bumpy pain lands right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skip that eyelet. We're not gonna crisscross it. We're just gonna go straight down. And now, when you wear this shoe, you just tie your shoelaces. Then you have an empty space right here. And then your bump can sit there with less pressure, so it should be less painful. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Don't forget to stretch and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks, bye.